In today's theme of referencing previous episodes, Matt Boyle recently shared his opinion that Twitter is still a good place for Go developers to hang out. And if you're going to have unpopular opinions on Twitter saying that Twitter is great, like you're not trying hard enough. So my unpopular opinion is that while this might be true today, I think that LinkedIn is actually going to eat tech Twitter over the next few years and that everything is going to move over there. I am not happy about it, but this is what I see happening.
Interesting. Why do you think that?
I noticed that the engagement on Twitter has been trending down. I am not entirely enamored with the current ownership of Twitter, and I see LinkedIn just on a growth trajectory that is solid, and they've been growing tremendously over the past decade. I think they will continue to do so. It's a weird place to hang out, but I've just seen more and more conversations happening there. I have much less people following me there than on Twitter, but when I post stuff there, I get at least a similar amount of engagement. So I just observe the trend. I'm not happy about that trend because I think LinkedIn is weird, but I think it's happening.
Yeah. Can I interest you in a Java job? Some embedded role. Yeah.
You'll do great on LinkedIn tech
some of the weird messages people get weekly there.